We found a house. It was one of those houses that was sort of half done. It needed to be done a little bit more. The kitchen was okay, but as we started to live in the house, it started to fall apart, and then we felt we needed a new kitchen. We started to look for a new kitchen, but we knew Avanti. We'd seen the adverts, we'd seen their internet website, and we quite often passed the showrooms day to day. So it was one of those choices that was easy to make, especially when we walked into the showroom and everybody was so really nice and welcoming and showed us lots of different things. They also advised us to go to different showrooms because Avanti have got different kitchens and different showrooms, which was absolutely brilliant because it gave us a massive choice, which was a bit of a hard choice, but that seemed to ease away when we met the designer. The design process was very complicated for us because we didn't know what we wanted, but actually when we got talking to the designer, he made it so easy. The fitters were brilliant. The team were absolutely attentive to detail, all of the details. They knew the product inside out. They knew what they were doing. The plans and the designs were brilliant. And as the kitchen started to come together, the people that did the work surfaces came in, and that was mesmerising with the laser technology that they used. Absolutely brilliant. And then it came all fitted together, just all in one piece. It was just brilliant to watch. The whole process was relatively quick compared to other projects that we've had done in the house. But because we were having building work done, the process for us fitted in really well. The way in which the fitters worked was brilliant. They came when we wanted them to come, and we organised it between us, which was it was a dream really, because there's so many things that had to be done as well as fitting the kitchen, and the fitters worked around us. When they left, everything was done. It was clean. It was tidy. Far better than some of the other builders that we've had here previously. They were very good at taking their rubbish away each time they left us, and they always checked everything else and made sure we were happy before they left the door. When the fitters left, we'd got a finished kitchen. It was one of those scenarios where we just wanted to invite our friends around, have dinner here, have an evening here, just because it was a place that we wanted to be. Cooking in this kitchen is brilliant. It's got multiple ovens, which we had designed built in. They're brilliant. The hob is in the perfect place, adjacent to the island, and so is the sink. So it kind of fits together in the way that you need a kitchen to fit together. And that was something that one of the designers made sure was the case. He actually spoke to us about, how we worked in the kitchen, and did we work together in the kitchen. Me and my wife obviously didn't want to get in each other's way, so the kitchen needed to be designed in such a way that we could work together in the kitchen. Avanti Kitchens, I have to say, are one of the best companies I've had the pleasure of working with and invited into our home. This kitchen from Avanti is the centrepiece of our home. It's something we're really proud of and we really like to invite people into. It's where we live most of the time, and I'd like to thank everybody at Avanti who's been involved for giving us such a fabulous kitchen. I would wholeheartedly recommend Avanti. There are a lot of choice out there, there's a lot of adverts out there. Go in, meet the people in the showroom, speak to a designer, and I highly recommend Avanti Kitchens to anybody looking at a new kitchen for their home. Actually more than that, I would say, if you're looking for somewhere that you would want to spend time, go to Avanti Kitchens.